Hey, welcome back. And now we're doing Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. Made famous by Guns N' Roses, this song, I believe. It's gonna sound like this. I'm taking this page from me. Still using the same chords. And I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Let's do it closer and knock, knock. D, A, E minor. Let me show it to you. D, A, E minor, D, A, G. The whole time that repeats. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Count with me when you play. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Da, la, 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 la. I'm using the D, the A, and the G. Okay, and the D, the A, and the E minor. You can use the A7 as well with this song. Pretty simple. If you want to pick it, just do the P picking pattern. Mama, take this badge from me. Check it out. I can't use it anymore. Dark to see. It's like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Really cool song, really rocking. Everybody likes it. Campfire. Sweet. Bye bye.